Here I have Samsung Galaxy J6 and let me show you top tricks and hidden features on the following device. Let's go with the first one. Let's slide up and go to settings, and here in the down left corner we have small dot. We can double tap on it, and as you can see the navigation bar has been disappeared. Let's do it again and we have our navigation bar back. Okay, let's go to the next one, which is the one-handed mode. Let's tap on advanced features, and here we have our one-handed mode. Okay, we can activate it by tapping 3 times on the home button or with the special gesture. Let's choose maybe the home button. Let's tap 3 times and here we have the one-handed mode. Okay, let's go back. And next I will show you the multi-window mode. Let's go to the settings, advanced features, and there we have the multi-window mode. I have turned it on before and I will show you how it works. Okay, let's go for example to the gallery and let's hold the recent button. And here we have our split screen. We can use the gallery and the settings at one time. Okay, let's go back. And now I will show you the dual apps feature. Let's go to settings and then advanced features. Here we have an option named dual messenger, and here we can basically clone the applications. If we for example have 2 Facebook accounts and we want to use it at one time, we need to clone the Facebook so we can jump from one account to another without logging off. Okay, let me show you the last feature for this video, the outdoor mode and the blue light filter. Let's slide up, choose settings, and now we need to go to the display. Let's go to the display, and here we have an outdoor mode. It just basically makes the screen more bright, and here we have the blue light filter, which reduces the blue light on our screen. Okay, let's go back, and thank you guys. That's all for this video. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a like under the video.